Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod here from the Ranchod Law Group coming to you live. If you have questions, you can always reach out to us at 916-613-3553. Today's question is, when do I get work authorization with the EB1, EB2, or EB3 categories? Great question. This is very confusing. So one thing to keep in mind here is the visa bulletin. You look at the visa bulletin to determine when the priority date is current. Now there's two steps in the process. First, there's filing with the EB1, EB2, EB3 employment-based categories. There's first filing the I-140 petition, and then there is the 485 green card or consular processing. That's the second step. So let's look at the first step, the I-140. You don't need to wait for the priority dates to file for the I-140 petition. However, it doesn't get you work authorization. So that's the issue there, and that's why you need to look to determine whether or not the priority date's current. So the priority date determines when you can actually apply for the 485 and work authorization at the same time, and advanced parole. So when the priority date is current, you can apply for the 485 and work authorization. Now, this can also be confusing because there's the H-1B visa. So this does not apply to the H-1B visa when you're applying for H-1B visa to work. That is a completely separate issue that does not involve the visa bulletin in the prior days. Rather, there's an H-1B visa cap. Typically where employers can file on April 1st for an October 1st start date, but there are exceptions to that rule, very limited exceptions that we won't get into this video. But the H-1B visa, you don't need to worry about the priority date. So the bottom line is, when the priority dates are current, you can apply for work authorization, and you can find out when the most recent priority dates and whether or not they're current by Googling visa bulletin. Thank you. Have an awesome day. If you have questions, don't hesitate to call us at 916-613-3553. Thanks for being amazing.